Alright, I've been working on this most of the day. I mean, a few hours anyway. And let me show you the carpet in the back here, how this turned out. Not too bad. Then I moved up here to the passenger side of the cab, and I didn't take any video before, but as you can see, there's still a little bit of a stain here, especially down here where it pooled for a long period of time. But if you look, I took the seat out, as you can see, and there's that, all that, all that, and that's why I took the seat out. And I have shampooed this carpet. Oh, I think I've filled that up and dumped it 4 or 5 times. And I'm gonna do it for you. I'm gonna do it for you again here. I just went and got some more. Totally awesome, because it's totally awesome. And I'm spraying this down and getting nice and saturated and agitating it in and whatnot. But it looks like probably, I'm just speculating here, but probably either a venti cappuccino at like a large, you know, those cappuccino machines at the gas station, the ones that use a dry mix. It's either that or maybe like a 64-ounce Big Gulp, some sugary drink, because it's coming up. It's coming out, I mean, but it's all the way down into the freaking padding, and it keeps coming back and coming back. All right. So fire that up, and I'll set you up over here. Sorry about that. Let me see, are you in frame? Oh yeah. coming up. Nasty. So, but as you can see, it looks a lot better. Bonus, I found 13 cents in a 308 live round. If you look at this side, see how stained this is? Come here to the passenger side. It's coming out swimmingly, but man, it's taking a long dang time. I didn't have time to seal up my holes. How disgusting this is. And that's like the 6th or 7th one. Just like that. Not including yesterday. Pretty, huh? Well, I could do this probably for 2 more days and it still won't suck all the dirt out of everything. It's a 93 26-year-old truck. 26 years of big gulps and venti caramel macchiato spilled all over the floor. I'll likely never get it out of there, but it cleaned up pretty nice. So I think tomorrow I'll work on the seats since they're out and easily accessible. If you haven't done so yet, underneath this window is a button that says subscribe. Click that and the little bell icon right next to it so you too can be notified of future uploads. If you like this video, smash that like button and share it with your vast social media network. So until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.
Subscribe to my dad's channel and share Daddy's channel. And leave a like.
You heard her.